Have you ever found yourself scrolling through social media, marveling at the luxurious vacations, designer clothes, and extravagant dinners that seem to fill the feeds of everyone you know? Or perhaps at social gatherings, you hear friends discussing their latest home renovations or new car purchases, leaving you to wonder why everyone around you appears to have more money. This perception can be both puzzling and disheartening, prompting the question, why does it seem like everyone has more money than you? The reality is that various factors contribute to this phenomenon, encompassing psychological, social, and economic dimensions. Social media has amplified the visibility of wealth, creating an illusion of widespread affluence. Additionally, differences in financial backgrounds, career choices, and personal financial habits play significant roles. Economic inequality and the nuances of credit and debt management further complicate the picture. Cultural expectations and the inherent human tendency to compare ourselves with others also influence our perceptions of wealth. In this video, we unravel the complexities behind why it seems like others are financially better off, shedding light on the diverse elements that shape our perceptions. But before we dive in, I need you to drop a comment saying, "Money loves me." Positive affirmations attract good things into our lives, so comment, "Money loves me," and when I see your comment, I'll give it a heart. Now, let's continue. The rise of social media has significantly altered how we perceive others' wealth and success. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok are filled with carefully curated content that showcases the most glamorous aspects of people's lives. This phenomenon, known as the highlight reel effect, can profoundly impact our perceptions of financial reality. Social media users tend to share their most enviable moments, lavish vacations, designer clothes, new cars, and gourmet meals, while rarely displaying the mundane or challenging aspects of their lives. This selective sharing creates an illusion of constant affluence and success. For example, an Instagram influencer might post photos from a luxurious beach resort, leading followers to believe they lead a life of perpetual leisure. However, these posts often omit the behind-the-scenes realities, such as sponsored trips, debt, or the hours of work that go into creating and editing content. The psychological impact of this constant exposure to others' seemingly perfect lives can be significant. Studies have shown that social media use is linked to feelings of envy, lower self-esteem, and increased anxiety. When we compare our everyday experiences to the highlight reels of others, we may feel inadequate and perceive our financial situation as inferior, even if it is not. Moreover, the algorithms that power social media platforms exacerbate this effect. These algorithms are designed to prioritize engaging content, often highlighting posts that depict wealth and success. As a result, users are more likely to see content that makes them feel like others have more money and a better lifestyle. Career choices and income levels are crucial factors influencing perceptions of wealth. Different professions and industries offer varying earning potentials, contributing to financial disparities among individuals. High-paying professions, such as those in medicine, law, finance, and technology, typically offer substantial financial rewards. Individuals in these fields often enjoy higher salaries, bonuses, and benefits, allowing them to accumulate wealth more quickly. For example, a software engineer at a major tech company might earn a six-figure salary shortly after graduating, while a teacher or social worker might earn significantly less despite having similar levels of education and experience. Educational attainment and professional qualifications also play a significant role in determining income levels. Higher education and specialized training can open doors to lucrative career opportunities. For instance, doctors and lawyers undergo extensive education and training, resulting in high earning potential. In contrast, individuals without advanced degrees or professional certifications may have fewer high-paying job opportunities. The impact of industry trends and economic factors further contributes to income disparities. Certain industries experience rapid growth and high demand for skilled workers, driving up salaries and benefits. For example, the tech industry has seen tremendous growth in recent years, leading to lucrative job opportunities for those with relevant skills. In contrast, industries facing economic challenges or declining demand may offer lower salaries and fewer opportunities for financial advancement. Moreover, geographic location significantly influences income levels and career opportunities. High-cost areas, such as major metropolitan cities, often offer higher salaries to offset the increased cost of living. However, these areas also come with higher expenses, which can impact overall financial well-being. On the other hand, lower-cost areas may offer fewer high-paying job opportunities but can provide a more affordable lifestyle. Pause for a moment and show some love. Hit the like button, subscribe, and enable notifications to stay connected with our upcoming videos. Now let's continue. Lifestyle choices and spending habits play a significant role in shaping perceptions of wealth and financial well-being. The way individuals choose to spend their money can create vastly different lifestyles, even among those with similar incomes. Personal spending choices greatly influence perceived wealth. Some individuals prioritize saving and investing, while others focus on immediate gratification and consumption. For example, someone who consistently saves and invests a portion of their income may not display outward signs of wealth, but is building substantial financial security over time. In contrast, an individual who spends freely on luxury items and experiences may appear wealthy, but might have little in savings or investments. The concept of frugal living versus conspicuous consumption further illustrates these differences. Frugal individuals prioritize cost-effective choices, such as cooking at home, buying second-hand items, and avoiding unnecessary expenses. These habits can lead to significant savings and financial stability over time. On the other hand, those who engage in conspicuous consumption prioritize displaying their wealth through expensive purchases and experiences, often spending beyond their means to maintain a certain image. Comparison between individuals with similar incomes but vastly different lifestyles highlights the impact of spending habits. For instance, two people earning the same salary might have very different financial situations based on their spending choices. One might live in a modest home, drive a used car, and save diligently for retirement, while the other might live in a luxury apartment, lease a new car, and spend heavily on dining out and travel. Despite earning the same amount, their financial realities are starkly different. Cultural and societal influences also play a role in shaping spending habits. In some cultures, displaying wealth through luxury goods and experiences is highly valued and seen as a status symbol. This societal pressure can lead individuals to spend more than they can afford to maintain an image of success. Conversely, in cultures that value modesty and frugality, individuals may prioritize saving and investing over conspicuous consumption. Geographic and economic factors significantly influence financial realities and perceptions of wealth. The cost of living, regional economic disparities, and access to job opportunities vary widely across different areas, contributing to the perception that others have more money. The cost of living in high-cost versus low-cost areas plays a critical role in shaping financial well-being. In major metropolitan cities such as New York, San Francisco, or London, the cost of housing, transportation, and daily expenses can be exorbitant. Higher salaries in these areas often offset the increased cost of living, but individuals may still struggle to save and invest due to the high expenses. Conversely, living in lower-cost areas may provide more affordable housing and expenses, allowing for greater savings and financial stability. Regional economic disparities also contribute to financial differences. Some regions experience robust economic growth and prosperity, offering abundant job opportunities and higher wages. For example, tech hubs like Silicon Valley attract highly skilled workers with lucrative salaries and benefits. In contrast, areas with stagnant or declining economies may offer fewer job opportunities and lower wages, impacting financial well-being. Case studies of cost of living differences in various parts of the world illustrate these disparities. For instance, a software engineer in San Francisco might earn a six-figure salary but spend a significant portion on housing and other expenses. In contrast, a software engineer in a smaller city might earn a lower salary but enjoy a more affordable cost of living, resulting in similar or even better financial stability. These differences highlight the importance of considering geographic and economic factors when evaluating financial realities. Access to job opportunities also varies by location. Major cities and economic hubs often offer a wider range of high-paying jobs, attracting skilled workers from around the world. However, these areas also come with increased competition and higher living costs. Smaller cities and rural areas may offer fewer job opportunities but can provide a more affordable lifestyle and potentially better work-life balance. Psychological and emotional factors play a significant role in shaping perceptions of wealth and financial well-being. Our self-esteem, personal worth, and societal pressures influence how we perceive our financial situation and compare ourselves to others. Self-esteem and personal worth are closely tied to financial perceptions. Individuals with high self-esteem are more likely to feel confident in their financial decisions and less likely to compare themselves to others. Conversely, those with low self-esteem may seek validation through material possessions and financial comparisons, leading to feelings of inadequacy. For example, someone with low self-esteem might feel compelled to buy expensive items to fit in with their peers, even if it strains their finances. Societal and cultural pressures also play a significant role in shaping financial perceptions. In many cultures, wealth is equated with success and social status. This societal pressure can lead individuals to prioritize outward displays of wealth, such as luxury goods and extravagant experiences, over financial stability. For instance, the pressure to keep up with peers or conform to societal expectations can drive individuals to spend beyond their means, leading to financial stress and debt. The concept of financial envy further illustrates the impact of psychological and emotional factors. Financial envy occurs when individuals compare their financial situation to others and feel envious of their perceived wealth. This envy can lead to negative emotions such as resentment and frustration, and drive individuals to make poor financial decisions in an attempt to match others' lifestyles. For example, someone might take on excessive debt to afford a luxury car or designer clothes, hoping to appear more successful. The emotional toll of financial comparisons can be significant. Constantly comparing oneself to others and feeling inadequate can lead to stress, anxiety, and decreased overall well-being. It's important to recognize that financial comparisons are often based on incomplete information and that appearances can be deceiving. Many people who appear wealthy may also struggle with debt or financial stress behind the scenes. Credit and debt play significant roles in shaping financial realities and perceptions of wealth. While credit can provide opportunities for financial growth and convenience, mismanaging debt can lead to financial struggles and hidden financial burdens. Credit allows individuals to borrow money for various purposes, such as purchasing a home, buying a car, or funding education. Responsible use of credit can help build a positive credit history, leading to better loan terms and interest rates. For example, a good credit score can result in lower interest rates on mortgages, saving significant amounts of money over time. However, debt can also create hidden financial realities that are not immediately apparent. Individuals may appear financially stable on the surface, but struggle with substantial debt behind the scenes. For instance, someone with a high salary and a luxurious lifestyle might be heavily reliant on credit cards and loans to maintain their standard of living. This hidden debt can lead to financial stress and limit long-term financial growth. The role of credit in maintaining a lifestyle that appears wealthier than reality is significant. Easy access to credit allows individuals to make purchases and enjoy experiences beyond their immediate means. For example, financing a new car, taking out loans for vacations, or using credit cards for daily expenses can create the appearance of affluence. However, this reliance on credit can lead to accumulating debt, high interest payments, and financial instability. Managing debt responsibly is crucial for maintaining financial health. Understanding the different types of debt, such as secured and unsecured debt, and their impact on overall financial well-being is essential. For instance, mortgage debt can be considered good debt if it is managed well and aligned with long-term financial goals, while high-interest credit card debt can quickly become burdensome. It's essential to remember that financial comparisons are often based on incomplete information and that appearances can be deceiving. By focusing on our personal financial journey and setting realistic goals, we can build a more secure and fulfilling financial future. Encouraging a mindset of growth and self-improvement, rather than comparison, can help us achieve greater financial well-being and overall happiness.